Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. Today I'm back with 4 summer Pinterest outfits where I take my Pinterest board outfits I'm lusting over, I want to recreate, and use what I already have in my own wardrobe to do so. Let's do it. Let's get into it. Let's start with look number 1. I'm gonna call these outfits what to wear when it is extremely hot out. Like, I'm talking minimal but cute, okay? Because I know it's hot, but it really depends on where you live, A, and B, it also just like depends like what you're doing. So I would consider these very hot weather approved outfits. Let's jump in. This is what I would consider like an elevated what to wear when it's hot though. This outfit specifically. Black, white, can't go wrong, cute belt. Minimum, but gets the job done. So let's start. Let's start with these little white like trouser shorts. I'm pretty sure hers are longer than mine, but this is all I got, so let's pop them on. But they're good. They're like a little bit classier than like a traditional linen short, even though they are still short. I feel like they still work. Okay, but before I button them up and do all the things, I need to put a black tank top on, so let's do that because I'm gonna need to tuck it into said shorts. Ooh, these shorts are getting tight again, girl. I've been eating, okay? Does anyone else hate putting things over their head that they would just put it on from the bottom? Because that's what I do. It's too much of a hassle. I always wipe down my eyebrows. It's just a process, so I just pull it up. Like a goofball, I'm sure. I'm like, shorts on. Are they on, Kelly? Are they? I just had the realization that after we get back from Colorado, I was done with summer camp, which means I need to entertain him, which I did no preparation for. So, wish me luck, but you know, we'll figure it out. We'll have a blast, I'm certain. Okay, so, little snake print belt. I got this one during a Gap sale. Gap has good belts. These are like really leather, okay? Also never worn this with high-waisted, so, okay, yeah. There's one loop that'll work. I wish these were more mid-rise. I've discovered I like mid-rise more than high-rise. But these are cute. These are cute. This is cute. Okay, now I can't see what she has on for shoes, but I feel like a flip-flop would just be too casual, so I would do a flat, but I like that these are like a little woven and like airy, if you will. I have a tummy ache. Oh, did I eat too many vegetables from the store? Probably, you know, what else? Anyhow, cute. Because I'm going to an engagement surprise party tomorrow, and I have no idea what to expect, nor does I think anyone else. And I was texting my friend today, I was like, you can tell Amanda designed this. But regardless, we're gonna have fun, we're gonna be fine. But I was like, what does she think we're all doing there? Because she hasn't texted me and been like, what am I wearing? So I'm like, just confusing, like, confusing. Anyway, this is simply adorable. And if you're wanting like a little something else, let me show. Let me show. You know what else I love? Is a headband with a hat like this, because the hair stays out of your eyes and you don't have to worry about it. You know what I've been loving? Headbands. But anyway, good black and white. This is really cute. Giving Meredith Blake works without as well. I've just been loving a headband because it gives the same kind of vibe as like a clip, but it's less like invasive. I don't know. This was look 1. I think we nailed it. I think this is so cute. Hold on, let me get a bag. If you think y'all got away, I will prove you wrong. I'm in a mood because Scott went to the office for the first time in, oh, I don't know, probably 3 months. I'm kidding, I'm being dramatic, but been a while. This slaps. Slap. I'm thinking, like, do I need to bring this to Colorado? I'm making sure my zipper's up. Okay. That was look number 1. I think we crushed it. So let's move on to look number 2. Look number 2. Okay, look number 2 is just like So cute. I love an all white outfit with pops of red. So let's do that. I wore this top all day yesterday. Even Scott was like, that's so cute. When I expected him to say, you look like my grandma from the 1950s. But he didn't, which is so surprising. But listen, I don't really care. Because like I say all the time, if a man insults your outfit, it means you look cute. Okay, girl? So keep rocking it. Let's put on a pair of like frilly, lacy shorts. And she has just like a frilly, loose, light, lacy top with red accessories. I think it's going to be so cute. This top and shorts don't match. I do have the top that matches this-ish, kind of. But I'm kind of in the mood for trying the new top that I have and see if I can mix and match it with other things and make it look cute. I love these little shorty blooms. So let's put on our little quince top thingy-majiggy. Is it kind of giving nighty? Yeah, but I kind of absolutely love it. And this is perfect for when it's hot. Everything's just flowy and loose and just good. Now she has red accessories as like pop. So we're gonna go red flats. I think the jellies, breathable, perfect. No difference between wearing these and like a flip-flop. They're airy and free and flowy. Ooh, should I try a headband on with this? No, that's not the vibe. I mean, it could be the vibe. I kind of like my hair in front of my ears for a baseball cap. But like, I think I need to like, my hairdresser does something, like kind of thin these out a little bit. They feel very chunky. This is so cute. So summery, so flowy. I don't want to take this off, but I literally wore this yesterday. I managed to cook a whole meal and didn't get a stain on me. And I was like saucing up some taco salads. This is perfection. This is just like summer, flowy, good, love. Cute. Nailed look number 2. Yeah, I love this top. I want it in blue as well. They have it in gingham as well, but I don't think I would go that hard. I think we'll do the light blue as well. But that was look number 2. Let's move on to look number 3. But before I do, I have to tell you, I called the non-emergency police line for the first time in my life. Felt a little guilty about doing it because I know this isn't an emergency, but that tractor trailer is still parked out next to our house. And like, I called whatever made like this thing and I was like, oh, should I do it? Like, is this, like, it feels a little like, don't do it, girl. Don't do it. I'm just thinking about it. I did it, okay? Anyway, so I call and he like takes the message and then the police officer calls me like right after, which tells me these people in Plano don't have enough to worry about, which in reality they do. They really do. But anyway, calls me, tells me it's not a crime. Never said it was a crime, sir. Never said it was a crime. Just said his sleeping quarters are like literally viewing over my fence. Like it's literally as if someone put a tent on a ladder right outside my fence. Would you think that's weird? I don't know if he's sleeping in there. I don't know what's happening. So he told me it's not a crime. And I felt like the biggest Karen of life. But like, you don't know unless you try, you know? And like, I kept thinking, if something happens, this voicemail or this call is going to be recorded and it's going to play on my Paul is on episode. Because I tried to tell you it's a little sus. But you didn't listen. Just kidding. That's not going to happen. Okay, let's put on a little white baby doll dress. We're sticking with the flowy white. White is good for the summer. Airy, fresh, and doesn't show sweat as bad. I mean, it kind of does, but not that bad. Guys, I just have to cackle because a lot of people get like annoyed by little things that I do, aka touch my hair too much, my bracelets jingle too much. I don't know, just lots of things that I do annoy people on the internet. And I'm like, if only you gave me like 10 minutes in a room with me, I bet I could annoy the living crap out of you. I'm not even trying. And turns out I'm like really good at annoying people. Ask Scott. He like just, and it's, the funny thing is like I do it, I'm not even try and I'm doing it, which means I'm just so good at it. Anyway, okay, baby doll dress. I know this is insanely short. I steamed it and I didn't iron it, and I feel like ironing it helps with a little bit more length, if you know what I mean. But this is so cute. If you're sweating balls, it works. Okay, let's add the details. She kind of has like a black lace-up strappy type of sandal. I don't, so I'm gonna use these because I think it'll be fun. Okay, so fun little sandal. I think this is cute. And then she has a little bucket hat. This one's kind of small for my head. I never knew I had a big head until I realized, like, whoa, small hats don't really work for me from H&M. This is like one of my favorite hats of all time now. Definitely most worn little cool hat. Okay, and then sun hat, whatever. A little raffia bag in a different color. Shut up, this is so cute. Listen, I could be sweating, but it's all just gonna run down my legs. Drop on the floor. And this is perfect. Cute, breezy, you know? All meshy. I'm kind of digging it. Meshy. I need to watch the, is it France-Argentina game today? Happens at 2? Not 2. Okay, I got time. This is precious. I should bring this to Colorado. Should I bring everything to Colorado? Does it matter? Do you want to see an outfits of the week with that? Ooh, that could be a great idea, Kelly. I think so too. Okay. Look, number 3. Nailed it. Nailed it. Okay. Let's move on to the 4th and final look. Okay, so cute. I feel like a lot of people don't think of like long sleeve button-ups as like a good summer thing, but again, for me, it's more about like, if you're going to wear something tight, like the tank top, the black tank top, right? It's tight, but it's minimal. Or you wear something loose, but longer and oversized and like longer sleeves because it's covering you from the sun. I don't know how to explain it. It just works, okay? I mean, I know you know that it works, but maybe you don't. I don't know. I need to get a new Big Apple Red from OPI. I want to find a D&D color that's similar to this. But I painted my toes it and I was like, this is just such a good red. It's like a deep red. I'm going to that party tomorrow, like I said. Ooh, should I show you my dress? I don't know where it is. Oh, it's over there. Yeah. Oh, whatever. Okay. Cute. All right, let's move on to the last outfit. All right, so she has a little white mini skirt. So let's pop that on. I went to Sephora yesterday. Why did I go to Sephora? Oh, because I realized how bad my under eye circles are. Like, I got some deep circles under my eyes, right? And you know that I've never been like an eye patch girl. Like, I've just never loved them. Oh, that's not why I went. No, girl, that was part of it. The other reason is because I'd heard so many things about the Nessa Myricks Yummy Skin, whatever, blurring powder, mousse cream, whatever. I don't know how to use it. I need to look it up because I'm confused. But I bought that yesterday. Then I also bought some eye patches because I'm like, I got some dark eye circles and I've never loved eye patches. But the ones from Topicals, is it Topicals? I think that's what they're called. Good, very good. I would have bought the red ones, I didn't have them. Anyway, I also bought another Edam lip balm, which is around here somewhere, I know. And then, what else did I buy? Oh, the Say Super Glow, the light one instead of the bronze one. Good. Okay, let's put on a button up. You may be thinking to yourself, well, Kelly, why did you buy something if you have no idea how to use it? Well, it's a great question. Probably one I should have thought about before I bought it. But here's the deal. I have been seeing those videos that are all like things that are worth it, that are expensive, but they're worth it, or whatever. Not even that they have to be expensive, just that they're worth it, right? And so the Nessa Myricks Blur Bomb, whatever powder has been like talked about, and it's like, I've heard it's like undupable and yada 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 yada. Well, I was like, well, maybe I just don't know. So I figured I'd try. Even though some of the things that people put on there, I was like, girl, be for real. Like, that is not that good, okay? Anyway, we're trying it. We'll see. So if you love it, you know how to use it. I like tried it under my makeup today. I tried it over my makeup last night, but I rubbed it and oh girl, it looked terrible. But we'll see. And that's why I said I was like, I need to just look up a video on how to use it first before I judge. But I did not use my like Sephora points because I was like, what if I hate it and want to return it? And you can't use, like if you use the money, you lose it. Like you're done. Like you can't return it. So let's not do that. Okay, so I layered necklaces. She has like some cute necklaces, so I layered those. Similar to what she has. And then a cute flip-flop. This is giving trendy, cool. Not me, but trendy and cool. I'm just kidding. This is a me outfit. I like it. But it's kind of trendy. So that's it. Number 4. Wow, we got through those fast. Where's my sunglasses? If you think you're getting away, I will prove you wrong. I don't know what to do with my black sunglasses. There's somewhere around here, but could be red because that's fun. Screams I'm here to party, right? Just kidding. Look number 4. That was it. Let me know what your favorite outfit was in the comments down below. And yeah, I don't know. Anything else? What else did I talk about in this video? I don't know. My brain goes blank, and then I realize when I'm editing it back, I'm like, you should seek help. But, you know, alas. Love you guys. I'll see you in my next one very, very soon. Bye.